Make a great choice today with the 2025 Transit-350. The Transit-350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.